Kidzuko.
Latest act, that's a fact. Ain't no nothing back. Oh, she's a freak. Oh, yeah, she's the one. That make 'em the oh, she sets away. Make a whole man wish for younger days, yeah, yeah. She knows do it all for you, ladies. How to please. Oh, so a strong man to his knees, 'cause she's a freak. House. I like lady stack, that's a fact. Ain't holding nothing back. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it, shake it.
Stretch it and right. And suck in those cummies, ladies.
That was fun. Way to get down with your bad selves.
Good morning, Ralph. Good morning, Bob.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, good morning.
Hello, little people! What an absolutely splendid day!
How are you this morning, Piggy?
Oh, late! I start my fabulous new job today. We megastar TV journalists have to be punctual, you know.
TV journalist?
Well,
Since when are you at...
Bye-bye, Kermit. Kissy, kissy.
Is breakfast over?
No, why?
Because I think the bacon just ran out.
The raspberry flapovers will be out in a moment.
Hey, Uncle Kermit. What are you going to do now that you're on vacation?
Well, Robin, you know, as soon as I get those house painters started, I'm going to kick back and relax.
Oh, Kermit, when will you fix the oven, okay?
What's wrong with the oven?
That?
Don't forget to check out some of the other fun videos on Kidzuko.